building a website for your baking business should not be difficult and it shouldn't be expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your baking business. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week as well. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market. There it is, baker. There is an option for bakery as well, but for a baker one-man band, maybe you just make confectionery and cakes from home. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and type in my company name, my city, and my state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, and they look absolutely delicious. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the beautiful creations you're baking up in your kitchen. You want to showcase it on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all of these services. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. You don't even have to be that super tech savvy. You can literally do it all yourself. No website coding needed at all. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. Let's make sure that's visible for our customers if they want to reach out. So let's tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call. Now, our physical location, you can put it in here. Maybe if you want to, you could leave it off as well. However, when your customers click on that address, when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Mighty Sites website. Now, if you have a logo, head on over to the next section. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com or hatchful.com. Personally tried them both myself, and they're great if you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer. If you'd like to make amendments to your logo, maybe cropping it, rotating it, adding filters or frames, click on the pencil. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change it to go with your branding a little bit better, you don't need to know color coding at all. Click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all free to use. Otherwise, click on connect your Instagram accounts. If you have a profile, automatically pull in all your Instagram photos to upload them. Under update action is where we can change that button text, what's displayed on the buttons, where all the buttons link to, even uploading a PDF file, which is great for a price list of your various confectionery and baked items in PDF formats. Under update content for each section is where you can make it a little bit more personalized to suit your business, put in more information on how your business came to be, how you got into this industry. Last section, we have a lead generation form so customers can easily reach out to you. You can keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. And if you have a custom domain for your business, you do have the option to connect it by clicking on the yellow connect your domain button at the bottom. You also have the option to purchase a custom domain through Mighty Sites, make your website look even more professional, stand out from all your competitors. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business on our platform, and really wishing you and your business mighty success.